Hello students, in this video we are going to learn factors chapter 10. So what is factor quantity? A quantity having both magnitude and direction is called a factor quantity. A directed line segment AB with initial point A and terminal point B is called a factor AB. A is initial point and B terminal point. Factor joining 2 points. The factor joining 2 points A and B is given by AB factor is equal to x2 minus x1i plus y2 minus y1j plus z2 minus z1k. Coordinates of A here x1 y1 z1 and B is x2 y2 z2. So vector AB is x2 minus x1 whole into y plus y2 minus y1 whole into j plus z2 minus z1 whole into k. Factor BA will be x1 minus x2 x1 minus x2 whole into y plus y1 minus y2 whole into j plus z1 minus z2 whole into k. So in vector AB, first you have to write coordinates of B. First coordinates of B, the second point. B minus A. Coordinates of B minus A. And in vector BA, you have to write coordinates of A minus B. So the first one will be coordinates of A, the second point. So BA, vector BA is coordinates of A minus coordinates of B, that is x1 minus x2y plus y1 minus y2j plus z1 minus z2k. Position vector of a point. Suppose coordinates of P be x1, y1, z1. Then the position vector of the point P will be the vector joining origin and P. That is this vector, OP vector is position vector of the point P. Coordinates of origin we know 0, 0, 0. Coordinates of P here x1, y1, z1. Then OP vector by vector joining 2 points formula. OP vector equal to x1 minus 0 whole into I plus y1 minus 0 whole into j plus z1 minus 0 whole into k. So x1 minus 0 is x1 into I plus y1 minus 0 whole into j is y1j plus z1 minus 0 is z1 into k. For example, coordinates of P be 2, 3, 4. Then position vector of this point P will be OP vector. So OP vector will be 2i plus 3j plus 4k. So this is the position vector of the point P. From the coordinates directly you can write the position vector. So position vector of this point will be 2i plus 3j plus 4k. Components of a vector. Suppose coordinates of P be 2, 3. You join O and P. From P you draw perpendicular on x-axis. Suppose PM perpendicular on x-axis. Then from this triangle OM will be 2 and MP will be 3. I is unit vector along x-axis and J is unit vector along y-axis. Then OM vector will be 2i. This I vector will give the direction of OM and MP will be 3j. Then from this triangle OP vector equal to OM vector plus MP vector from triangle law of addition of vectors. OP vector equal to OM vector plus MP. OM is 2i, OM vector plus MP vector, MP is 3j. So OP vector equal to 2i plus 3j. 2 and 3 are scalar components. 2 is x component, 3 is y component of the vector OP. And 2i and 3j are vector components of the vector OP. Magnitude of a vector. Let OP be 2i plus 3j. From the above diagram, OP equal to 2i plus 3j. This is a right angle triangle. So this is hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. The OP square equal to OM square plus MP square. Therefore, OP equal to square root of OM square plus MP square. That is modulus of the vector OP equal to square root of OM square plus MP square. OM is 2, so 2 square plus MP is 3, 3 square equal to root 13. So magnitude of the vector OP is root 2 square plus 3 square. Unit vector. A vector whose magnitude is 1 is called a unit vector. The unit vector in the direction of a vector A denoted by A cap is defined as A cap equal to vector A by its magnitude. Direction, ratios and cosines of a vector. Let OP vector makes angle alpha with x-axis, beta with y-axis and gamma with z-axis. Then cosine of these angles, cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma, will be the direction cosines of the vector OP. And direction ratios, the number which are proportional to the direction cosines are called direction ratios. If these three direction cosines are equal, then the angles will be equal. If cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are equal, then alpha, beta, gamma will be equal. That is, the vector will be equally inclined to the coordinate axis. Let vector A be a1i plus a2j plus a3k. The scalar components of this vector a1, a2, a3, these three are the scalar components. a1, a2, a3. These three quantities a1, a2, a3 are direction ratios of the vector A, and these three quantities are direction cosines of the vector A. Section formula, internal division. The position vector of a point P which divides the join of A and B internally in the ratio m:n is given by OP vector equal to mb plus na by m plus n. P divides AB internally in the ratio m:n. A is position vector of the point A. This vector is position vector of point A, and this vector is position vector of the point B. So A is position vector of point A and vector B is position vector of the point B. So then position vector of the point P will be OP vector. OP will be equal to B into M plus A into N. B into M plus A into N divided by M plus N. This is internal division formula. External division formula. The position vector of a point P which divides the join of A and B externally in the ratio m:n is given by OP equal to mb minus na by m minus n. AP by BP equal to m by n. P divides AB externally in the ratio m:n. AP by BP is m by n. Then position vector of the point P is given by B into M minus A into N. B into M minus A into N divided by M minus N. midpoint formula. If P is midpoint of the vector AB, then P will divide AB in the ratio 1:1 because AP equal to BP. That is M is 1 here, N is 1. So B into 1, B into 1, B into 1 plus A into 1 by 1 plus 1, that is M plus N. So equal to B plus A by 2. So equal to A plus B by 2.